Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Jack who loved to play video games. He had an extensive collection of games that he had been accumulating over the years, and he spent most of his free time playing them. Jack was an only child and didn't have any friends nearby, so he often found solace in his games. Jack's parents were worried about his habit of spending too much time indoors and playing video games all day. They encouraged him to go outside and play with other kids, but Jack wasn't interested. He felt that video games were much more fun and exciting than playing outside. One day, Jack's grandfather came to visit him. Jack was excited to see his grandfather and wanted to show him his new game. However, his grandfather had other plans in mind. "Jack," his grandfather said, "when I was your age, I spent all my free time outdoors. I explored the woods, went fishing, and had fun with my friends." Jack shrugged his shoulders and said, "But Grandpa, video games are so much more fun." Grandpa smiled and said, "That may be true, but when you spend all your time inside, you miss out on so many wonderful experiences in life." Jack thought about what his grandpa had said and decided to take his advice. The next day, he went outside and started exploring. He climbed trees, played tag with his friends, and even caught his first fish. As the weeks went by, Jack realized that his grandfather was right. He had so much fun outdoors and made so many memories with his friends. He even started to feel healthier and happier. From then on, Jack made sure to spend time both indoors and outdoors, balancing his screen time with nature. He learned that it's important to experience all the joys that life has to offer and not get too caught up in just one thing. Jack's parents were overjoyed to see their son enjoying the outdoors and making friends. They even started to join him on some of his outdoor adventures. Jack's love for video games didn't diminish, but he learned to balance it with other activities. As Jack grew older, he looked back at that summer when his grandfather came to visit him. He realized that it was a turning point in his life. He learned that sometimes, the things that we think are most important to us are not always the best for us. It's essential to have a balance and experience all the wonders of the world. In conclusion, this story teaches us that there's a whole world out there to explore, and we shouldn't limit ourselves to just one thing. A balanced lifestyle with a mix of indoor and outdoor activities can lead to a healthier and happier life.